Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the latest Drunk Elephant holiday set, and this is unlike any other holiday set because this is their trunk collection. I did a unboxing of last year's version. They always come out with one. Like I mentioned, this is the 5th one, and it usually includes almost all of their full-size products. It is a great value as well. It's pricey because, I mean, you're getting full sizes like I mentioned, and it also comes in this beautiful suitcase, which suitcases are also very pricey, but I love that they package it in the suitcase because it's very practical and you have another thing that you know you're gonna use. Last year's was the first one they did in the suitcase, and this suitcase is actually a lot bigger. So here is what it looks like. Let me see if I can scoot back so you guys could see the full size of it, but I'm so happy that this one is bigger because last year's was more like small and boxy, and honestly it didn't hold a lot of stuff, so I only can bring that on like a weekend trip or like a couple of days, so it's not super useful for me. But this one is like a legit carry-on size, and I know I'm gonna be using this. I actually needed a new carry-on, so I'm really excited about this. They did send this to me, but I want to share with you what is inside. This is definitely not gonna be for everyone because this is very expensive. Definitely for a Drunk Elephant skincare lover, someone who wants to get into the brand and like start an entire routine, but it is a pretty good value. This is $450 for this, including the suitcase and everything inside. You guys will see what's all included. There's going to be 10 full-size products in here, which I'm going to go over everything, and it says it's a $676 value. Now, I definitely think the prime time to order the set is during the Sephora VIB sale. I think last year's did sell out during the sale because then you're going to save an extra 20% on top of that. So that is definitely the time to buy if you've been thinking about it, but you get a lot for your money with this. So let's go ahead and I'll share with you what's inside. So first of all, the suitcase does come in this little kind of protector as well, so you don't get it all scratched up. Of course, if you do take it traveling, you might get some scratches, because I know mine, I'm so sad, mine last year got some scratches on it. I'm just like, dang it. I was trying to keep it pretty, but it's like impossible with flying and being at the airport. They just throw your stuff around. But this one does come with locks on it too. You can set a code, and it's just gorgeous. Look at the print on here. It's so fun. I'm not sure what these shapes are, honestly, but I think it's still very beautiful, and I love that it's hot pink. It has the Drunk Elephant logo here, and the brand is Monos, which is a pretty expensive brand. Looking on their website, their carry-on bags, they retail for like $200, $300, so that's just an extra included in here. Now let's get into the products inside. Alright, so you don't get every single product they make. This is mostly just skincare. I think they do another trunk with their hair and body line, but you do get a lot. So the first thing I'm pulling out here, we do get the full-size Bestie Jelly Cleanser. I'm going to have the retail prices over here so we could see if this really is a good value, just because I'm really curious about it. But I really like this cleanser. It's very gentle on the skin, a very basic cleanser, which I try not to have too many extras in my cleansers since I do use so many other skincare products, so this one has been a favorite for me. This retails for $32. Next up, we have one of my favorite moisturizers. This is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. Again, full size here. This is my go-to kind of daytime moisturizer because it's not too heavy. Peptides are really great for the skin as well. It helps build up your skin barrier. I like this moisturizer for oily skin as well because it's not like super heavy on the skin. So I use this one a lot. Another nice thing about their products is it's a pump up one, so you're not dipping your fingers in and contaminating your jar of product. I love that Drunk Elephant does that. So this retails for $68. Speaking of Proteini, this is a fairly new product from them that came out recently. This is the Proteini Power Peptide Resurfacing Serum. So again, this does have those peptides in it. It has 10% lactic acid in the formula, so it's going to help with texture and skin radiance. And this retails for $82. So crazy price tag on that one. We also have their Bee Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. This one I love to kind of mix with. All of the Drunk Elephant products you can mix together and create your own little skincare cocktail, but this one I like to mix either sometimes with the glycolic serum, mix with my moisturizer for extra hydration. It's pretty lightweight as well, so it's good for oily skin but also dry skin to add extra moisture. And this one retails for $48. We also have here, this is their actually new just kind of reformulated C Firma. So this one's kind of interesting because it comes like this, and they decided to redo their C Firma because vitamin C can go bad very quickly, and so this, you're making like a fresh batch of it, so it's not exposed to air, it's not going to get contaminated. You mix in the liquid and the powder and you have a fresh vitamin C, so it should last longer than their older one did. So they're always trying to be innovative and fix their products. They've reformulated things before, like Lala Retro was reformulated as well, so I think that's really cool. This new C Firma retails for $78. We have my favorite ever product from Drunk Elephant, the baby facial. I love this stuff, you guys. It is the best kind of exfoliating treatment. I usually use mine like once a month just to kind of give my skin a refresh. It really is like a facial in a bottle, and it's great if you guys have acne. I find that it heals my acne very quickly. It helps kind of diminish acne scars as well. So this is my #1 from Drunk Elephant, and it's very inexpensive, but I haven't found a product that kind of compares. I've tried the dupe from The Ordinary and I just didn't feel like it was as good. This retails for $80 for the baby facial. We have their newly packaged retinol as well. Like I said, they're always kind of redoing their products to make it as better as they can. Their old retinol used to be in a tube and it was very annoying because it would always squeeze up, and I just felt like so much product was wasted. So they came out with it in the kind of basic packaging that they always do, in the plastic packaging that just pops up like this. They have a really nice retinol. It's supposed to be a gentle one, so it's not as harsh as some retinols can be, but retinol is always great for anti-aging. It uses 1%, which I think is the highest quality retinol you can get at the store. Otherwise, you need a prescription for it. The retinol retails for $74. Next up, we have the Lala Retro. This is another moisturizer, and I prefer this one for the evening. It does have the same pump as Protini, and this one's just a little bit more heavy, so I don't really like it for daytime because I do have oily skin, so I try not to have too much moisture in the morning, otherwise my foundation gets like super greasy. But I haven't used this one in a while. I need to try it again. I haven't had the full size in my collection, and I'm super happy to have it again and try it out. This one retails for $60. Next is this iconic product from them. This is the TLC Glycolic Night Serum. This is a good exfoliating evening treatment. It uses 10% AHA and 1% BHA, so that's going to be great for texture, fine lines. So many people love and use this all the time, including myself. Like I said, I like to mix it with my B Hydra Serum. I don't use this like every night, but I would say every few days I like to add it in. Their glycolic serum retails for $90. And then I think this is the last full-size product. We did get a full-size C Tango eye cream. This formula has vitamin C and cucumber extract, so it's going to really help with brightness. I would say this is a pretty good evening eye cream, or morning too, because it's not super heavy. Again, I used to use this. I haven't had this in a while, so I'm really excited to add this back into my skincare routine and try it out. Their eye cream retails for $64. Now, there is a couple minis in here too. So we have this mini makeup melting cleansing balm. I've used this one before. I won't lie, this is not my favorite cleansing balm. It just kind of feels a little bit greasy on my skin, or glossy. It gets in my eyes and if you guys wear contacts, you know the struggle. But I don't know, I have ones that I prefer, but I do like that it is a mini, so I could take this traveling with me because it does the job. But yeah, I like to use my pharmacy one instead, I would say, or my Paula's Choice one, but it is okay. Since this is a mini, it doesn't have the retail price anywhere, so I'm not sure what to count this one as, but I know we are almost at the value, because when I was editing, I realized I made a mistake in my math like usual. But the 10 products, the full-size products, actually come to a value of $676, so that's not even including the minis, and that doesn't include the suitcase either, so they're only counting the retail value of the actual products, the full sizes. There's also in here some foil packets. We have a foil packet of their new Rosy Drops. I think this is like a blush, kind of liquid blush. I haven't tried those yet. Also the De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, which is their kind of liquid bronzer drops that you could use to like darken foundation or just add a bronze look. And then we have the Shaba eye cream. This is their other eye cream that's a little bit more, I would say, moisturizing. And they did send a foil packet of the virgin marula oil as well. I'm surprised that was not in this set, but they did include their other moisturizer. So that is it for this unboxing. They did not include in the retail value the value of the suitcase, so that's just an extra, which I think makes this set such a good deal because, again, these suitcases retail for like $200-300, so that's amazing that that's not even included in the value, because they definitely could have put the value up to like $700-800 on this set. Like I said, if you guys wait for the VIB sale, I forgot to mention, I know not everyone gets 20%, even 10% is going to save you a good chunk because this is an expensive set. I am not saying that you have to go out and buy this kit. I know Drunk Elephant is expensive, and you know, there's definitely other alternatives, but I do like their skincare because it is free of fragrance. I feel like they put good ingredients in their products and you know what's included, not just random filler ingredients that some brands like to use. They never have alcohol in their ingredients either, so I've been using their products for years and I do think they are nice. I do think they are pricey, but I think in this set you are getting a good deal. I did take the 450 divided by 10, that equals $45. So essentially you're paying about $45 a product, which is pretty good since some of the Drunk Elephant products are up there in price, like 80 bucks or so, and hardly anything is under 40. And just the free suitcase makes it all that much more worth it. So I think this is a great set, even to give as a gift to someone who maybe is just getting started in their skincare routine, wants to try out Drunk Elephant, but just hasn't had the means to because they are so expensive. I think it is, you know, worth it. Obviously, I know it's expensive because you're getting these full-size products, and that's what jacks the price up so much, but I figured I would go ahead and share the kit, my thoughts on it, and what is all inside in case it is something that you were looking at picking up on Sephora or Drunk Elephant. I'll have the link down below if you guys want to snag this one early, but that is going to be it for this unboxing. I hope it was helpful for you in deciding if this is something that you do want to get. Let me know your thoughts on Drunk Elephant. Are you guys a fan of their products? Is there any favorites that you have? Let me know down below. I know my personal favorites are the cleanser, their proteiny moisturizer, and also their baby facial. But I will let you guys go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.